F-clamps, C-clamps, T-track, I-beams, O-saws.
No one calls them that.
If you're like me, you dream of equal representation for all the letters of the alphabet in your workshop. Well, fear not, the square L and the square X are here to help balance the scales. Brought to you by the incredibly handsome and creative genius who invented the square, the magnetic block of wood, the finger SqWAYre, and much, much more, the square X and the square L will revolutionize the way you measure. Hooray! Now you can easily and accurately measure your nose, measure how far away your pencil is, and probably measure some other stuff too. Be sure to check out the full-length video at youtube.com/TimSway or go to squaretools.com to learn more about the other things you can do and measure with it.
Where can I get one?
That's a great question, kid. Well, there's only one place you can get them, and that is at www.squaretools.com. That's SqWAYre tools.com. Hurry, supplies are limited, and anybody else selling them anywhere else in the world is a dirty, rotten, lying thief.